Open this Dilophosaurus from Amazon, from China. Compare it with the Dilophosaurus from Lego. Alright, dump it out.
Woo. Oh, look. Yeah, it comes in the
Awesome. Alright, Gigi's making the Lego
Dilophosaurus
from Lego, and we'll compare this with the one we got from China from Amazon.
This is the pterosaurus, which I actually used to put Owen on there and then fly around with him. You know what was great?
Right.
There was some pieces right here.
Uh-huh.
And there's a connector underneath it.
Yeah. Next.
Next is the raptors here. I don't know which one's the leader, but maybe this one in the middle is the leader.
Which one's the leader?
Maybe this one in the middle.
Okay.
And now let's talk about the Dilophosaurus. The Dilophosaurus, the head is kind of like two main parts need to connect, and also a mini mouth part, and some whole parts of that. And this Triceratops are pretty simple. Yeah, plus some parts are not simple. Like the horns are not simple. And then the Indominus Rex, the small one, the smallest of all.
He's actually supposed to be bigger, I think, too. Maybe this is a baby Indominus Rex.
He's the baby. What happens if this was smaller than the Lego people right here? What happens?
Then he would be tiny. He would be a lizard.
Then it'll be the dad, another Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Scary.
But it looks like the good guy one. This is, I'm calling it a Lego for now. I'm calling all these Legos because they're not working like this.
They look pretty good. They're exact replicas.
But then,
They're exact replicas. They look pretty good. They're pretty good copies. We got this from Amazon. These Lego
and I have
dinosaurs for 13 bucks.
Owen right here in my
They're
hand.
probably not real Legos,
I
but they
have Owen.
look like real Legos, I bet.
And look on the
And
back.
so it came with like, I don't know, 9 dinosaurs or 6, something like that. It came with like a few. And we're gonna open one dinosaur
Nope.
and put it together. Alright, here I think we should not put together the Dilophosaurus because we're gonna do that tomorrow.
I think we
Or
should
we
do
could.
the.
You can compare it.
So we have one Tyrannosaurus Rex, one pterodactyl.
Pterosaur, okay.
We have the raptor.
We
We
have,
have 3 raptors. Yeah.
they're not raptors.
We have 4 raptors.
They're not raptors.
They're not? They look like raptors.
This is it.
And we have a tiny Indominus. Is that really the same?
No, they're big.
Yeah, this one is like, okay.
Dilophosaurus.
Oh, my favorite.
Alright, we'll open the...
Oh wait, is that the one? Is that Dilophosaurus? The one?
We can
Yeah, the one.
compare.
The
Which one do you want to open?
Which one is the best?
I
Which one do you
think
want to
I
do?
like this.
Raptor.
We have a raptor bag from the whole box that we just, the bag that we just opened.
And today our daily speed build is for a
Raptor. This is gonna be easy peasy.
fast as you can, love.
Has a cleaner one. Has a
It's
cleaner.
almost like the real thing.
Oh.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching, Jaden.